Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the thermostat on Ford Focus MK2 2 liters petrol. This car is equipped with the 2 liters petrol engine and engine code SYDA. The thermostat on this car is located on the front of the engine. It's located just underneath the intake manifold. It's located right there. Here you can see that the thermostat housing and two hoses that are attached to it. The thermostat housing is held by 3 bolts that we need to remove. First we'll start by removing this cable to make more space to access the clamps for the 2 hoses. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to get my clamp pliers and I'm going to remove the 2 clamps and remove the 2 hoses. There is not much space here to show you exactly how I'm removing the clamp, but you just remove the clamp and then take out the hose. Here it is, the metal clamp on the top hose is removed and I removed the top hose. Now I'm going to remove the bottom hose. Once I remove the bottom hose, then I'm gonna go underneath the car, because one of the bolts needs to be removed from underneath. The other 2 bolts will remove from the top. This is the thermostat housing right there, and that bottom bolt we need to move it from underneath with the long extension. So this is my long extension that I'm going to use. It's a size 8mm socket, and I'm going to put my extension through there and I'm going to remove that bolt. I'm going to loosen the bolt with my ratchet and then I'm going to remove it all the way by hand. And that's the lower bolt of the thermostat housing removed. Now I'm going to remove the 2 top bolts. I'm going to use a wrench size 8 and I'm going to go in there and I'm going to loosen them. Once I loosen them, I'll get them by hand again. That's the right bolt of the thermostat removed. Now I'm going to loosen the last bolt here on the left. I'm going to loosen it with my wrench and then I'm going to get my electric ratchet to remove it faster. Okay, now I'm going to remove the bolt, and as the 3 bolts holding the thermostat housing removed, now I'm going to remove the thermostat housing. To remove it, you just need to pull it out. It might be stuck, you might want to pry it out if it's stuck, but it should come out very easily. And that's the thermostat and thermostat housing out. So this is the new thermostat housing, and this is the part number for it. Now I'm going to put the new thermostat housing in there. Once I put the thermostat housing in there, first I'm going to put on the 3 bolts and tighten them, and then I'm going to put on the 2 hoses and put the clamps on them. Once the 3 bolts are tightened and the 2 coolant hoses are on, then we're done with replacing the thermostat, and next we need to fill the cooling system with coolant and bleed the cooling system. I have a video on my channel of how to bleed the cooling system. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.